What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to give everybody an update on my MAME project that I'm currently undertaking. I have a 4-player Ultimate Arcade 2 that I'm currently working on. I believe it was probably a month or so ago. I recorded a small video and showed the light up buttons that you can see down here across the bottom that I used for coin intake buttons, and I said the next video that I would show you what they look like in the machine. So here they are, and then I'll do a little overview of the machine itself and let you see what that's all about. But there's my buttons in the front of the machine, one for each player. And as I said, I have a 4-player machine. This is currently completely under project right now, so I haven't even finished any of the sanding that I've got down here to do, or the paint, or the wraps, or anything. I haven't put the any of the decals or anything. I haven't done the T-molding around here or around the arcade. I also haven't put a marquee up top or any of the graphics on the side. So this is just completely the arcade in its raw state, pretty much. But like I said, what I did is I have a 4-player machine because I love games like Ninja Turtles, of course. And what I did is I have 6 buttons for players 1 and 2, and then I have 4 buttons for players 3 and 4, as you can see on the sides. And what I did for those, if I lift up these controls and show you, I used an I-PAC 4, which you can see right here. It's upside down, of course, in the machine. But I have that mounted here and running each joystick and button set for each player. And then pretty much some storage under here. I have USB controllers, which I'm going to have a couple of those to play like Nintendo 64 games, just to make those easier to play. But that's basically it for the control panel. I also have, Cody, if you want to pull the drawer out, which I don't even have this nailed down right now, so it's easier just to lift and pull out the drawer and show you. What I have is have the drawer, and I have the keyboard and the mouse, of course, under there. And also, right now, I have the switch that you flip that turns off the coin buttons, turns them on and off. And for sound, what I'm using is a little Pyle PCA2. It's just an 80-watt amp that turns the signal where it can be used for car speakers. Because what I use is I use 2, I believe they're 6-inch Pioneer, or maybe 6.5, I'm not sure the size exactly, Pioneer car stereo speakers for up there. And this is the guy that drives those. And for video, this is a 27-inch Sony television, just a standard television. It's not an LCD or anything fancy like that, just a standard TV. I wanted to get as close to an arcade feel as I could, and I figured that would be the best. But slide this out of the way. I'll show you the brains of the operation. And here I have just a standard compaq pentium 4. It's nothing fancy. I got for like, I think maybe 50 bucks off of Craigslist. Then over here for video, what I'm using, let me get down there where you can see, just one of these little cheap video converters that turns VGA to video. So it's taking my computer's VGA signal and going through an S-video cable that's hooked up to the television. And this, of course, is just the USB power for it. There's the buttons for the coins, and then, of course, this is the cable right here that goes into for the I-PAC, which goes through this hole right there to the I-PAC. And then audio cables, that's the stereo cables going to the speakers. As far as power, I'm just using a standard surge protector, just a power strip type thing. And that's really about it. Like I said, it's a work in progress. It is nowhere near being finished. I have to get all of the T-molding for here. I have to get the T-molding that goes around the machine, as well as the marquee. The marquee light does, let me see if I can do this without blinding. Yeah, the marquee light does come on, which I have it wired to come on when the the actual power is turned on the computer. I just have it turned off with the switch right now. But that's about it. As far as front ends go, I have nothing on here right now, so any help anybody can give me with that. I've tried Hyperspin and Maximus. I just can't get them to work for some reason, but right now all I have is just wired to these buttons is the escape. Maybe. Or maybe not. But what they do is usually they work my escape where I can go back to the main menu and then just use my I think this is MAME 32 or something like that. And then you can use your keyboard just to go down and select another game like Ninja Turtles 2 right there. And that's about it right now. So it's really kind of a pain to get everything to work, but hopefully at some point I have a Maximus or Hyperspin or something that works for this. But like I said, I couldn't get it to work, so any help that anybody can give me on that with how to get it to work, I would very much appreciate it. But I just wanted to show this. It's just a little quick video of my arcade and how everything works with it, and the coin buttons, of course. Like I said, I wanted to show those after I got them hooked up, and then they of course give credit to the machine the way they're supposed to. And I have the 1-player start and the 2-player start, 3-player start, and 4-player start and such. And that's about it. I just wanted to get everybody a quick little view of my arcade and what it's looking like. I'll update it as soon as I get the T-molding and graphics and everything and have it running and show you exactly what everything's going to look like. But there you go. Thank you for watching.